So this is really just giving you a flavour for next time when I'll be looking at simple statistical tests to compare groups. A few slides back we saw some summaries of the cases and the normal calves, and we saw that platelets was very different between them, but it didn't actually prove anything. We're just saying, yeah, we've got the mean and they look different. But often what people want to do is say, are we absolutely sure those differences are going to occur if we did the study again? And that's where an actual statistical analysis comes in, and it can be tested using something called a hypothesis test. And if you've done a bit of statistics before, you'll have come across something called the p-value. And the p-value is quite critical because it tells you if you've got a significant, what might be defined as a significant difference or not. So basically what defines the p-value is it's a probability that there is no difference between the groups of data. So you've got a set of two groups and you want to see if the means of the two groups are different, they look different. The way you go about testing that is to say, well, let's assume that they're not different at all. What's the probability of that? And that is calculated as the p-value. So for this probability that there's no difference is very small, and typically people say if it's less than about 0.05, that's taken to indicate a significant difference between the groups. So what it's saying is there's less than a 5% chance that these groups are the same. So that's what we'll be concentrating on next time when we look at various different tests for comparing groups of data.